Okay, this is Dave Morris again, and I'm going to go to part 2, the accessories that go with this thing, or the rest of it. And that's what makes it a really, really nice unit. This separates it from, I've got the earlier iOptron that just takes a ball head, and I'm quite pleased with it. It works well. But this thing is just a whole different category. So here's the different parts. This is the counterweight bar or balance, I guess. I'm not quite sure what you'd call it. And here's your counterweight bar. I don't know what the names of all these things are. I'll just show you what they do. I'll take this off. And one thing you want to remember is when you take this off, you want to pull the plug out of here. Because if you mount this on here and leave that plug on there, you're not going to be able to see the pole star, and you're going to, yeah, it's not going to work. But the plug fits in this, so you still have the polar scope is still protected, but it's out here where you can get it, where you can get at it. So you just take it out of here and stick it in here, and your scope is still protected from dust and what have you. So when this thing came, this piece here was actually screwed on this end. And I couldn't figure out why they did that, but I did after I played with it a little bit. But there's just, it comes with a little Allen wrench, and it comes with 4 more little set screws here. So it's really versatile. You could do all kinds of stuff with it. You could set it up for all kinds of different configurations. But I'm going to start, so I took that off of here and put it over here, and then I'll show you why that didn't really work at first. So anyway, this just slaps on the end of here. And loosen this thing up here and put it on just like that other part. Okay, so that's good. So that turns around. So the next thing I did, and this comes with this screw in the middle, so you can get a 1/4-20, put your camera directly on there if you want to. And then that just slips on here, and you've got these 2 screws here. So you put your camera there, and then you loosen these 2 screws, and you can aim it whoever you want to aim it. So it's just like a telescope on a German equatorial. And the problem I had was I had a wide camera, a big camera, and so when I put this over here, part of the edge of the camera hit this, and that's probably why they put it on this end. So anyway, so what I did was I took this part, this is a Vixen mount, and you can just screw this Vixen mount on top of here, which I won't do because it just takes too much time. But that raises everything just enough to clear, so that cleared everything, and it solved all my problems. It just worked beautifully, just really nice. So anyway, it comes with a little wrench here, comes with the screws to put it in. There's holes. You can put this on this end, you can put this on this end. If you want to put a ball head on one end, it comes with this big screw here, and you can just screw this through here. And you just screw it in, and it'll go in either end. And then you can screw a ball head on here. So that way you can mount a camera on a ball head, and you can mount another camera up here. So you can run 2 cameras at the same time if you want to. Pretty clever. Or if you think you... so you can put this on this end for balance. So I'm not going to use that right now. This is a counterweight shaft. You screw this in here, and a little hard to get started because this thing is really finely made. There's no slop in it at all. It just goes in there like that. And then I put the Vixen mount here, like I say, with the 4 little set screws here. And then I put the Vixen mount on the bottom of my camera, the bar, which I don't have here, and slid it on there. And it just works great. You can move it forward or backwards or whatever for balance. So I think that should give you a good idea. And this is a counterweight. I think it's about 3 pounds. You can slide it down here, slide it up, whatever it takes to balance it. And this is the charging cable. It's got a lithium-ion battery inside. I have no idea how to change it if you ever needed to, but you can run it on power, or you can run it off the battery, either one. So, and then you just tighten up this clutch again, and that just stays where you put it. The thing's really solid, really nice. I'm quite excited about it. So I think that pretty much covers this aspect of it.